The squirrel. An in-depth look at its diet, lifespan, physical characteristics, and more. Squirrels are among the most common and adaptable creatures found in forests, urban parks, and even suburban backyards around the world. Known for their energetic behavior, fluffy tails, and quick movements, squirrels are fascinating animals that play an essential role in ecosystems. They belong to the family Squirrelidae, which includes tree squirrels, ground squirrels, flying squirrels, and marmots, among others. In this video, we will explore various aspects of squirrel life, including their diet, food consumption, lifespan, physical characteristics, and other interesting facts that make these small mammals so captivating. Squirrel diet. What do they eat? Squirrels are omnivores, meaning their diet consists of a variety of plant-based and animal-based foods. However, they are primarily herbivores, relying on nuts, seeds, fruits, and plants as their main food sources. Despite this, they will also consume insects, small birds, and even eggs if the opportunity arises. Their diet plays a crucial role in their survival, especially in colder climates, where food availability can be scarce. 1. Nuts and seeds. The squirrel's favorite food. Squirrels are best known for their love of nuts, and this constitutes a significant portion of their diet. They consume a wide variety of nuts, including acorns, walnuts, hazelnuts, almonds, and pine nuts. Nuts are particularly important for squirrels because they are high in fats, which provide essential energy and nutrients. In addition, nuts contain vitamins and minerals, which help keep the squirrel healthy and strong. Acorns, in particular, are a staple for many squirrels. They are abundant in forests, especially oak trees, and are a crucial source of food, particularly in the fall. Squirrels will often collect and bury acorns in the ground to store them for the winter, a behavior known as scatter hoarding. This ensures they have enough food to survive during the colder months when fresh food is harder to find. 2. Fruits and vegetation. In addition to nuts, squirrels also enjoy a variety of fruits, such as apples, berries, grapes, and cherries. Fruits provide essential sugars, which offer a quick energy boost, especially during warmer months. During the spring and summer, squirrels will consume tender leaves, buds, and flowers, adding variety to their diet and supplementing their nutritional intake. Squirrels are particularly fond of tree bark and fungi, such as mushrooms, as well. They may gnaw on tree bark to help wear down their teeth, which grow continuously throughout their lives. 3. Small animals and insects. While squirrels are primarily herbivores, they are opportunistic omnivores and will consume small animals when available. This can include insects, such as caterpillars, grasshoppers, and beetles. Some squirrels may even raid bird nests to consume eggs or young chicks. Though small in size, these protein-rich foods provide squirrels with a necessary boost, particularly in the winter months when plant-based food may be less abundant. 4. Foraging and storing food. Squirrels are expert foragers, and their ability to locate and gather food is remarkable. They use their sharp sense of smell and keen eyesight to identify food sources, and they are quick to adapt to new environments. Squirrels can often be seen running along tree branches or darting across the ground, searching for food. One of the squirrel's most impressive behaviors is its ability to store food for the winter. In autumn, squirrels collect nuts, seeds, and other food and bury them in the ground in various locations. This behavior is critical for survival during the winter months when food sources are scarce. The process of gathering and storing food is instinctual, and many squirrels rely on their memory to retrieve the food later. However, some squirrels may forget where they've stored certain food, which can lead to the growth of new trees from the buried seeds. How much food does a squirrel eat? Squirrels are highly energetic creatures that require a substantial amount of food to fuel their constant activity. On average, a squirrel will eat about 1.5 to 2 pounds, 0.7 to 0.9 kilograms of food per week. This can vary depending on the species of squirrel, the time of year, and the availability of food. During the summer and fall, when food is abundant, squirrels may eat more frequently to build up fat reserves for the winter months. They may also consume larger amounts of food during the breeding season when they need extra energy. In the winter, squirrels typically eat less frequently but consume more food at each sitting. Their food sources during the colder months are limited to the food they've stored in their caches or any remaining food in the environment, such as tree bark or fungi. Squirrels have a high metabolism, and they must keep feeding regularly to maintain their body temperature and energy levels. Lifespan of the squirrel. How long do squirrels live? The lifespan of a squirrel can vary significantly depending on its species, environment, and potential threats. On average, squirrels in the wild live between 6 to 12 years. However, many squirrels do not live to see adulthood due to a variety of predators, accidents, and disease. The high mortality rate during their early years makes it difficult for squirrels to reach their full potential lifespan. In the wild, the primary threats to squirrels come from predators such as hawks, owls, foxes, coyotes, and snakes. Squirrels are also at risk of disease, malnutrition, and accidents, such as being hit by cars. While squirrels in urban areas face fewer natural predators, they may face other challenges, such as being poisoned or trapped. In captivity, squirrels can live much longer, sometimes reaching 15 to 20 years or more. In zoos and wildlife sanctuaries, squirrels are protected from predators and provided with proper food and medical care, which allows them to thrive and live longer lives. Physical characteristics of the squirrel. Weight, length, and height. Squirrels come in a wide variety of shapes and sizes, with different species exhibiting unique physical characteristics. They are typically small mammals, with their size varying based on the species and the environment in which they live. 1. Average weight. The average weight of a squirrel depends on its species. The most common species of squirrel, the eastern gray squirrel, Sciurus carolinensis, weighs between 12 to 20 ounces, 340 to 570 grams. Larger species, such as the fox squirrel, Sciurus niger, can weigh up to 2 pounds, 900 grams, while the smallest species, like the pygmy squirrel, Sciurus pygmaeus, may weigh as little as 3 ounces, 85 grams. In addition to their size differences, squirrels' weight can fluctuate depending on the season. They may gain weight in the fall as they prepare for winter in hibernation or energy conservation, while they tend to lose weight during the winter when food is scarce. 2. Length and height. Squirrels have slender bodies with long bushy tails, which are often as long as or longer than their bodies. On average, squirrels range in length from 9 to 12 inches, 23 to 30 centimeters, in body length, with their tails adding an additional 7 to 10 inches, 18 to 25 centimeters. When standing on all fours, squirrels are generally about 6 to 8 inches, 15 to 20 centimeters, tall at the shoulder. Their long, bushy tails serve several purposes. They help with balance while climbing, act as a warm blanket in cold weather, and are used for communication, such as signaling danger to other squirrels. 3. Physical adaptations. Squirrels are known for their agility and remarkable climbing abilities. Their sharp claws, large hind legs, and powerful tail help them navigate trees and leap across large gaps. They are capable of jumping distances of up to 10 feet, 3 meters, allowing them to easily move from tree to tree in search of food. Squirrels have excellent eyesight, which helps them detect potential predators and locate food from great distances. Their acute sense of smell also helps them find hidden food, especially when they are retrieving nuts or seeds from their caches. Behavior and social structure of squirrels. Squirrels are generally solitary animals, though they may come together during the breeding season or in areas with abundant food resources. Most species of squirrels are active during the day, known as diurnal, and spend the majority of their time foraging, eating, and looking for shelter. Squirrels communicate through a variety of vocalizations and tail movements. They may make warning calls or produce high-pitched sounds to communicate with other squirrels. Their tails are also used for signaling danger, as a rapid flicking or twitching motion can alert other squirrels to the presence of predators. During the winter months, squirrels enter a state of reduced activity, sometimes referred to as torpor, although they do not hibernate. They spend a significant portion of the winter in their nests, curled up and conserving energy, only venturing out when necessary. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.